In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create repository on Bitbucket. We'll start right from the login screen and finish with a brand new repository ready for your code. Open your browser and head to the Bitbucket login page. On the sign-in screen, choose the option to continue with Google. This is a quick and secure way to authenticate, and it keeps your Atlassian and Google credentials in sync. Select the Google account you want to use. If you have multi-factor authentication turned on, complete that prompt as well. Once you're in Bitbucket, you'll land in your workspace. Look for the Create Repository button. Depending on the layout, you might see it near the top of the page or in the left sidebar. Click it to open the repository creation form. Start by entering a project name. In Bitbucket, a project is a container that groups related repositories together, which helps with organization and permissions. If you already have an existing project, you can pick it from the list. Otherwise, type a clear, recognizable project name so teammates know what lives inside. Next, type the repository name. This becomes part of the URL slug, so keep it short, descriptive, and consistent with your naming conventions. Many teams use lowercase with hyphens or underscores. Avoid special characters and overly generic names. Future you will thank you. Set the access level. Private repositories are visible only to people you invite, which is ideal for internal or early stage work. Public repositories are discoverable by anyone, useful for open source or documentation. If you're unsure, leave it private and adjust later. Choose the default branch name. Many teams use main as the default branch. Some legacy workflows still use master. The default branch becomes the target for pull requests and the base for CI/CD pipelines, so pick what your team standardizes on. Expand advanced settings to fine-tune details and add a description. A good description briefly states the purpose, tech stack, and any key links or prerequisites. If the form offers options like initializing with a README, .jetignore, or a license, select what matches your workflow so collaborators have context from day one. You can also review any additional settings that affect branching models or merge strategies and align them with your team's policies. When everything looks right, click Create Repository. Bitbucket will take you to the new repositories overview page and show quick setup instructions, including commands to clone or push an existing project. That confirms your repository is live and ready. And that's it. You logged in, opened the Create form, named your project and repository, set visibility, chose a default branch, refined advanced settings, and created the repo. You're ready to start collaborating.